My name is Parker Kit Hill, and I am a dancer. I've been wearing Warby since 2017, and I wear the Hudson frame. I first realized I needed glasses in the 7th grade. I always had to sit in the back of the class because I was always the tallest kid. I'm straining my eyes, trying to see like this tiny computer screen. It was crazy. The thing that brought me from Fort Worth, Texas to New York City was dancing. I got into a ballet school here, the Joffrey Ballet School, which is what we're in now. It was crazy. I moved from Fort Worth to New York with just a suitcase at the age of 17. If there's anything that really inspires me, it would have to be classical ballet. I like to incorporate my classical lines and my crazy movements. I feel like that is something that shows pure artistry. So I got Vine when it first came out. I remember the day it came out in the App Store. I downloaded it and was already just like posting anything and everything.
You got a body like an hourglass, but I can give it to you.
And people loved it. Then it just grew from there. Basically, I was always like the outsider, growing up in Texas, being African American and gay. I was always just kind of like ostracized by so many like groups of people, and I was okay with it. I just lived freely in high school. I wore whatever I want. I would go into thrift stores, buy a shirt that was like pink or whatever, and just lived in it. I didn't let their insecurities like fall on me. I was just always like doing my own thing. Whenever I dance and perform, my mind, it goes into a very clear space. Say I had a bad day, or like there's something that's just like getting on my nerves. When I dance, it kind of just like, I sweat it all out and it just like comes out of my body. And then when I leave, I feel bright, happy. Whenever I dance, I love the way that I feel. It's great.